In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Webflow. Whether you're making temporary adjustments or just trying to clean up your project's layout without permanently removing elements, hiding sections can be incredibly useful. We're going to walk through this process step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding. So, let's dive right in. To begin, navigate to your Webflow project. Open your workspace on the Webflow platform. You should see your current project, whether it's a template or a fully developed site. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already comfortable with it. The interface provides all the tools you need to create a stunning website, and today we'll focus on the part that allows us to tweak the styles of various sections. Now that you're inside your project, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. Here's where you'll find the Style panel, which houses all your styling options. Click on this panel to access different styling features. Under Layout, you'll notice a category labeled Display Settings. This is where you'll be able to manipulate how sections of your web page are shown or hidden. Once you can see the display settings, locate the display options within this panel. You'll see several options that determine how your selected elements are laid out and presented on the page. These options typically include settings like block, flex, grid, and inline. Ensuring you're comfortable with these can empower you to control the visual aspects of your project effortlessly. To hide a section, click on the display option. Now you want to focus on the None option. By selecting None, you're effectively telling Webflow not to display this section at all. It's a kind of invisibility cloak for your section without deleting the elements themselves. This can be particularly beneficial if you plan to use these sections later on or just need them hidden temporarily for design adjustments. Once you've clicked None, your chosen section will disappear from the design view. Remember, it's still present in the project. It's just not visible in the published version. This method ensures that you can bring back the section whenever necessary by simply reverting the display property to its original state or another setting that fits your needs. And there you have it, an easy method to hide sections in Webflow. This technique allows for better control over your designs without the need for permanent deletions. If you have any more questions or need additional guidance on Webflow or any other design tools, feel free to come back to this channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy design.